trading better and bigger in 2018. Stay tuned, traders. We'll talk about that next. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Absolutely stunning morning on the coast here in Perth. Month of December is basically over, Saturday, and just down at the beach early morning with the dogs for a walk, and my dogs have a pretty good life. So today talking about trading better and bigger in 2018. So I spent this last week really reviewing the year and looking at a lot of the things that we talked about in a couple of videos, just reviewing and looking at what was, I suppose the successes this year, what things I learned. I've kept a list all year long of really key important facts and mistakes, losing trades, my best trade setups. We talked about building the playbook. I really harp on the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. If you haven't done so, go to my homepage, download that audio file, listen to it over and over again, build your own daily routine. But today talking about trading better and bigger in 2018. So looking at all the different trades and the trade setups, and I talk about assembling a best list of 3 or 4 of your best trade setups. And then I went back again, I'm still doing that this weekend, just filtering out the trades perhaps that maybe I struggled with, maybe didn't perhaps move the way that I wanted to with my other best trades, and then maybe even eliminating them right out of my playbook, because I want to stick with trades that are not only going to be, number one, we're trying to make money. We're not trying to be right. We're not trying to, trade every move in the market, but we're looking at how we can, number one, manage our risk. Number two, have asymmetrical risk reward setups. And so, as I head into the new year, I'm going to be probably just kind of easing my way back into the market and taking things smaller at size and just focusing on execution and getting myself back into the rhythm of the market. And really focusing on, again, those 2 or 3 setups now across the 26 pairs roughly of currencies. And the purpose of that is just to really get myself back into the headspace of, flawlessly executing that plan, after the Christmas and the New Year's and the break, and just really getting back into that headspace and hitting the ground running, and then just gradually, again, growing that size to where we keep bumping it up and just honing in on those 2-3 setups, again, monitoring our expectancy, and then growing and building that size in terms of the trading account. Because one of my goals this year is to really push the boundaries in size and also keep constant progress, the mandate. So again, refining and sharpening that edge, but focusing just process, and in doing so, taking it in the smaller size samples and then growing that, and then getting these trades to the size that I really want them to be at. But doing that, building confidence through accomplishment. And I talk about this, discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. And I think that it's been a really great year for trading. But one of the key things now is, again, after the break, to come back strong and to just ease back in after this week. Christmas, New Year's is funny because you don't even know what day it is after a couple of days off. But so I think the key thing comes back to those basic 3 M's, mindset, methodology, and money management. And you always have to be balancing all 3. So if you are focused primarily just on methodology and entries and exits, what's going to happen then is at some point you could get elated or, a bit overconfident. You come back into the market and you take too much size on. Emotionally now if you have a loss, you're going to do emotional damage. You lose emotional capital. Then, if your emotional capital is damaged, then you lose the edge in terms of executing and in having the mindset to manage the trades properly. So, those 3 M's got to be constantly in balance. And if you draw a little pie chart, whenever one blows out, it affects the other component of the pie. So yeah, it's a great, it's good to have a break. It's good to recharge the batteries, but again, just I'm going to come back really intense this year. I think we're going to put together some other stuff, but the big thing is coming back, getting into the rhythm of the market again, just cutting size back a bit, getting that tactile feel of price action, and then just getting back into the routine and the rhythm and bumping up size. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. A couple days before we hit the new year. Yeah, so review, just to rehash that, review your trades, look at your playbook, filter it down even more to those really top trade setups. Focus on process. What did you do well? What could you do better? Come back into the market, hit the ground running, but maybe start back with some smaller size, build that confidence, build the rhythm, build the momentum, bump the size up, and keep getting better and bigger in 2018. Hopefully you've enjoyed your New Year's, or you're going to enjoy your New Year's and had a great Christmas and holiday season wherever you're at in the world. Let's you and I get better together. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the new year. Hi traders, it's Stacy Burke from Stacy Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at stacyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, The 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.